And now we're going to take our biscotti and finally put it in the oven, but a few notes before we do. First of all, you want to preheat your oven to 350, okay? 350 is the number you want to have. Next, I really think that the silpat is integral in making sure that your biscotti turns out perfectly. I've made it on a plain, non-stick, cookie sheet before, but the silpat really does help. Now, if you don't have a pan that's big enough, just to have it roll over the sides, it's really okay. Now you take your mixture, it's going to be very firm, all right? And this usually makes enough for 2 rows of biscotti. But for the viewing audience that we have at Expert Village here, I'm just going to do 1 row just to give you an idea. And you might want to make a little biscotti a little bit bigger than normal, okay? Usually you can either do 2 really thin rows or 1 larger row. And I think for all intents and purposes, we're going to go for a larger roll today.